Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledge and Beauty. It's Khel and today I will show you how I have painted some plant pot. So guys, here I am using some waste materials. Like when you are going to some shop to buy card, that time maybe you can get that card in a clay pot. Okay, so I am using that clay pot only, which usually we thrown it away. Okay, but you can use that. You can use your waste materials also for recycling. So I am doing here some recycling and I am painting on them and I will make them as plant pot. So you can see here what I have taken. I have taken two pots and also I have taken here fabric color to color them. Like this only we can reduce our waste material things, so that environment will be very much good. And also you can create one special things in your home. You can add one home decoration things from your waste materials only. So what's the tutorial how I am doing? So here first of all I am taking some fabric colors. So on the pot as a base color I have used some white fabric color. Okay, here I have double coated that, and after it's drying I will use blue color to create some small design. You can see here what I am doing. Like this only, if you can recreate you can do it also. Okay, like this only you can draw, otherwise you can draw whatever you want, whatever you feel easy, or maybe you can write there something like some motivated word, some motivated sentence, whatever you like you can do that. That's only as per your choice you can do. Okay, after giving here this white color you can use any color, that will only be your choice. Okay, so here what I am doing, I will fill them with some red dots also, so that it will be looks good. And this is for the first pot. Okay, and now it's done. So we have to keep it some time for drying. Okay, so the next one is ready to paint. You can see here I am putting some red color on it for the front portion, and also I am giving here double coat so that it will looks like prominent color, otherwise it will not give that much prominent color. Okay, so whenever this color giving will be completed I will move to the next process. Okay, here also the same things I will say, like you can use your own thinking on it, like whatever you want, what will make your home peaceful and what your choice, like that only you can create anything whatever you want by using your waste materials. Okay, so here I will draw one owl. So actually I love to draw owl. Okay, and it's very much easy for me, so I am doing that. Whatever you will feel that you can draw it easily, you can do that. Okay, so guys, be conscious about your environment. Do recycle as much as possible for you. Okay, don't throw the things here and there. Okay, if you can recycle any things, please do it, please. So share this video with your friends and family, guys. So guys, to make that owl I am using first some yellow color and I have given some shape of owl. After that I am using white color, red color, black and blue, and you can see how I am drawing that owl. And guys, please let me know in the comment section if you like this idea. Also let me know if you draw this, whatever you will feel, whatever you will like to draw. Okay, let me know in the comment section, so it will be very much funny to me. Okay, so here I am using blue color to make the body portion of that owl, and after that I will use black color for bordering so that it will look neat and clean. And yeah, everything you need to do very much carefully so that your work will look neat and clean. And you guys all know that when you are doing neat and clean work, that work will be very much amazing and it will looks good. Okay, so don't do any messy work. Okay, and take color carefully, like your color should be there in your brush very much, not the water. Okay, so take less water and more color when you are drawing on a pot. Okay, and also guys, let me know in the comment section if you like this recycling idea or not. Yeah, it's a totally recycling idea. Like, we always thrown this type of things. Okay, we didn't use that. I know normally people do this. We are throwing the things here and there, and then at last we are thinking that so much dirty places, but actually we are making that places dirty. Okay, we should clean everything, and whatever possible to for recycling, we should do that. Okay, so if it's possible to make some home decorator from your waste material, I think it should be done by everyone. Okay, like this only we can reduce some pollution. Like this only you can be a responsible person in this world. Okay, because if you make something dirty, that's not good. That's not good for our health, that's not good for our environment also, and it will give a very much harmful situation in our future. So don't waste anything, don't throw out anything if you can use that. Okay, see here I'm drawing some sunflower, it's so much cute. So guys, that's it, and at the last I will use some white color to fill that wherever it's not looking like prominent color. Okay, and in the last I will use some black color also to give some dot on the pot. And also guys, I think it's ready. For me it's ready, and you have to please let me know in the comment section how it is. I will show you how I have planted in this. So I don't have any shop open because for lockdown we can't go to any nursery buy that plant. So in my home also I got two plants, one aloe vera, okay, and another one also. So after varnishing this, we have to put that plant on that. Okay, so here I am using wooden varnish. You can use any varnish whatever you want. And after drying only this fabric color, we have to use the varnish, not before that. Okay, first of all you should keep it for 24 hours for drying. Okay, whenever it will be dry, that time you can use your varnish also, and then this color will be like long lasting. Because when you plant here, you should put some water, so you have to make sure that in water this color will not be smudged. Okay, so for that only I am using this varnish. Oh, see, my cat is going around. Okay, so here is the soil, and I am taking some water before putting the soil on the pot. And yeah, I am putting the soil, and after that I will put that aloe vera plant. I am planting it. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I am taking little soil and I am putting on the pot, and at last I have to add some water. And for the next pot also I have to put some plant. I am putting here, you can see. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like this video, please do a like, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share this video with your friends and family.